Hi, my name is Scott Pieper. I'm the CEO of Mobilization Funding. Today we're talking about bid bonds, and specifically we're going to talk about how a construction bid bond works, or more importantly, what happens if, why do you have it, and what happens if it doesn't work. So let's just take I have three folks in my office, Gene, Andrew, and Joe. And let's just say I'm building a garage on my house, and I have a certain budget that I want, so I lay out the whole scope of work. I put an RFP together. I say, here's exactly what needs to happen. This is what the finished product needs to look like. This is the time it needs to be done in. This is all of the requirements. And here it is. And then I get a bid from Andrew, from Joe, and from Gene, and a price. But part of the requirement of the RFP is that they have to submit a bid bond to me. And all that bid bond means essentially is that I want to guarantee that if I award one of them the job, that they can do it for the price they bid it at and perform it. That's it. Well, what happens now is if all of a sudden I pick Gene, he has the best package, I award him the job, and for whatever reason, he's not able to now contract. He can't get a bond, perhaps, a performance bond. He's not able, maybe he goes bankrupt between the time I award him the job and the time he actually got it. Who knows, but there's some reason he can't perform it. I, as the owner, now can go to his bid bond, and the bonding company that insured him, they're now going to be required to finish that project, or at least find a contractor to do it for the requirements that Gene put forth on the bid. So hope that helps you guys. Hope it helps to understand what it's for and when it takes place and when it actually comes into play. Have a great day. Thank you.